What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana. Today we're gonna whip up healthy breakfast. It's gonna be quick and easy. I thought it would be great because I haven't had breakfast for a long time due to religious reasons. I was fasting in the morning and I said I need a really good recipe that I know that I would love, that I know that you would love, and that I know kids approve. So we're gonna get right in. Before we do, please make sure that you subscribe. Also hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Down below, I would love to read your comments on which one you're gonna make first. Let's get right in. Okay guys, so my first healthy breakfast recipe is sweet potato waffles. I love sweet potatoes, so I thought it'd be great to incorporate them in breakfast. All we're gonna do is put the ingredients that I have set up into the bowl. I'm gonna describe what the ingredients are first before we put them in. So what I have here is organic whole wheat flour. I definitely recommend getting the pastry kind, that way it's nice and refined. We have 3 eggs that I already beat. I always tell everyone to please make sure that you are buying pasture-raised eggs. Next, we have organic garnet sweet potatoes. They're really sweet, they do a nice color, and they're my favorite sweet potatoes that I use in every recipe. Next, we have unsweetened milk. You can use whatever unsweetened that you prefer. We have baking powder, we have organic vanilla extract, and we have a dash of organic cinnamon. The exact measurements will be in the description below. So all we gotta do is just pour it in, that's it. Okay, you guys, once the batter is already done in your mixer, or if you just stir it with your hands with a spoon, that is totally fine as well. Once it's done, we're gonna just plug in our waffle maker. We're gonna spray it with some organic cooking spray, and then we're just gonna pour the batter into the waffle maker, and that's it. Then you're in time to enjoy it. All right, you guys, so our second healthy breakfast is my spin on a breakfast sandwich. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna describe and explain all the ingredients that we have here, and then we're gonna cook it. So first what I have is a whole wheat pita pocket. Now, if you are gluten-free, you definitely can use a cassava flour tortilla, and I usually love that. I will eat that if I'm not doing any wheat. You can have corn tortillas, you can have white flour, whatever your preference is for this sandwich. Next, we just have some organic cheddar cheese. If you are a vegan, you can use, I definitely recommend Follow Your Heart cheddar cheese. It's their vegan version and it tastes just as good. We have I already beat 2 pasteurized eggs, and you just use it with the whisk. It's gonna make it nice and fluffy. We have some mushrooms. We have turkey bacon that's already on the side, and we're gonna start that first. If you cannot eat meat or you don't eat meat, what you can do is you can possibly get like the Impossible ground meat, and you can do like a ground turkey and add a little bit of sage. So it'd be like your vegan meat in that, or you can, if you don't want turkey bacon, you can have turkey sausage, whatever you want in this sandwich. And next, what I already did was I already made some guac that I personally like to eat because it is a healthy fat. You guys know my recipe for this. I already said this in the healthy snacks. It's just a mashed avocado, a little bit of lime juice, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and if you want to put like a green pepper, whatever you want to do to kind of give it a good flavor. So all we're going to do here is I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt to the eggs. And then we're gonna cook our turkey bacon. And then after the turkey bacon, we're gonna saute the mushrooms in that juice from the turkey bacon. And then we're going to do our eggs, okay? All right, you all, so once everything is already cooked, you can actually, I did put peppers there because if you like peppers, you can include that into your sandwich. Once everything is cooked, this is the time, if you have kids, that they can be your helpers. I know I can't wait till I get married and have some babies and kids where they can watch me on the videos and help me when I make these recipes. So definitely get them. So all you're going to do here is you're just going to build your pocket or your burrito however you want. And then we're going to put it, whether you have like a George Foreman grill or you have a cast iron grill or a regular pan, just to melt the cheese. Once we build it, we're going to get those kind of grill marks and cook it all the way. All right. All right, you guys, so my third healthy breakfast is my non-dairy yogurt pancakes. They are absolutely delicious. I know that you're gonna like them. So for this, we're gonna use two different bowls. Our first mixing bowl is gonna be for our dry ingredients. And for our dry ingredients, we have organic, unbleached, all-purpose flour. We also have organic whole wheat flour that I recommend that you guys use the pastry flour, like I said, for the waffles. Next, we have our baking powder. We just have a little bit of organic cane sugar and a dash of salt. So easy. It's so important, you guys, for this all-purpose flour that you use unbleached organic flour for this. Organic whole wheat flour. Pastry. Get a little bit of the baking powder. All the exact measurements are in the description below, as always. And just a little bit of salt. And that's it. Okay, so after we are done with the dry mixture for the pancakes, we're going to do 2 pasture-raised eggs. I already beat them, and it's going to get beat when we put this in the KitchenAid mixer. We're just going to have some vanilla extract, give it a nice vanilla flavor. We're going to use our plant-based milk. You guys know that I like the rippled unsweetened milk. We're just going to beat it a little bit. And they'll get fully mixed once we put it into the kitchen blender mixer. Okay. And then we're going to add our non-dairy yogurt. This is my soy non-dairy yogurt that you can find at the grocery store. I got this one from Mom's Organic Market. This is my secret ingredient. That's not so secret. So next, all we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the liquid mixture into the dry mixture. Alrighty. All right, so once the batter is all nice and mixed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat the griddle, or if you just have a non-stick pan, and we're gonna flip the pancakes, and then that's done. Get it nice and brown if you want it to. And then what I always like to do is add a little bit of vegan butter, maple syrup, organic maple syrup, and some fresh fruit to top it off. Yum. All right, you guys, I can't believe we're already done. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I hope that you love these recipes. Leave in the comments below which one you're gonna make first. I want you to try them all. Don't forget that I know everyone has different dietary restrictions, so that you can swap out whatever ingredients that you need to. Please follow me. Please give me a thumbs up if you love these recipes, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at Angela Alexis XO. I love you all. Bye.